This is Young Trader. This is the last call of the week here, so we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. Remember, on natural gas, that contract roll will be starting on Sunday. Okay, at the end of the video, the support and resistance levels are posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy Sunday stock commodity ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have the old futures here on natural gas. Now you can see right here, your 2.349. On October, it's going to be 2.447. And then we go to November, you can see how it progressively gets higher, 2.734. Your December contract there is going to be 3.20. And then your January is going to be 3.48. And then it just starts going off here slowly until we come right down. But then again, we're maintaining in that 3 level here. And you got to figure even all the way out here in January, you're looking at in the 4 area here. Okay, so don't get down on natural gas here, but if you want to look at any kind of futures, just go to barchart.com and it's all right there for you. If you want crude, natural gas, oil, gold, silver, whatever you want, it's all right there for you. Okay, let's take a look here at the charts. Okay, here we have crude oil and here we have natural gas. Now your daily chart. Okay, now really not a whole lot of hold on, not anything really. The rig count came out, it was pretty flat. Natural gas dropped 1 rig and crude oil, it was just unchanged. So no big deal. It's really not a market mover, as they say, you know what I'm saying? So here's what we're looking at here. Like I've been pointing out, this is 21 day at 71.23. Now we got just a little bit higher than that today at 71.45, but you notice that as far as the closing number, you're down below that. Right now, you're sitting at 71.07. Okay, now again, if we can get above this 21 day, that's the whole key right there. Then we go to yesterday's high, you have 71.53. This is going to be a nice target up here at 71.92 level. We can just start to look at the bottom here. You're looking at 72.83. We have 73.52. And we can march all the way up here to 74.38. And then here's your big target at 74.71. Now, what I like about this is the 8 day is curling up, but we're coming down and we're getting to this wedge situation. So she's either going to break up or she's going to break on down here. So we got to see how this is all going to shake out. But when you look at this overall chart, okay, this is still a bearish chart for a simple reason. See that double top situation and that series of lower highs all the way on down. Now, this could rally all the way up to the 50-day. And if you draw a trend line here, that's still a lower high going on. So don't get too excited here with this. Just trade it. That's the key, is trading the old crude. Now, crude was a good trade today. I scalped the old UCO. That's always a very, very good trade. Yeah, 26.17 on the bottom, 26.81 on the top. All I'm looking for today is 50 cents, 3,000 shares. Is good enough there on the old crude here on the Friday. Okay, so again, when those futures open up there Sunday night at 6 o'clock, you want to watch that 21 day. That's going to be very, very key there to the upside. And then if we can get above, we just follow the candles. Your big target up there, obviously, at 74.71. Downside, you want to watch today's low. You're looking at that 70.37, but realistically, this is the key level, that's 69.84. You're trading this range between this 8 SMA and a 21 day. So we got to see how that's all going to shake out here. But we're starting to get this wedge going on here. So if this 8 day keeps rolling up, okay, and you cross over that 21 day, a lot of times that is the way, you know, like what we have here, okay, that they'll send that price up higher. But again, that 8 day can roll over and then we have here. But let's just see how it all shakes out. So just watch that 21 day on upside, very, very key. Downside, watch that 8 SMA. If we lose that, just look to the bottom of this candle. This is that 69.13. Then we'll look to the bottom here, 69.58. And then we just follow yourself all the way down, 67.97, 724 till you work yourself down to that 65. So we got some really good trading action here. It's just sideways action for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 good days here above that 8 day. So you got really good trading action. You break above that 21 day, you're going to the 50 day. You break below that 8 day, you're going to retest that 65.27 level. RSI doesn't tell us much. You're kind of like right in the middle, kind of flat ski. This is still bullish here. Your green is over your red. That's looking bullish. That's still looking very, very good. Okay, so again, watch the 21-day, the 8-day. Just trade this range until she breaks up one way or the other way. Okay. All right. Now let's take a look here at natural gas. Now, natural gas had a really good move there today. Now, remember that contract roll, like I showed you at the beginning of the video. Okay, so you're sitting at 2.44. We look at that price channel. Okay, you're sitting at 2.436. So we're just right now you're sitting at 2.439. So we're just sitting right there. That's going to be very, very key. Okay, but we did make a nice higher high. This was the buying opportunity yesterday. See how that we put in that tail, and then we closed above the 8-day, and you went right into that 100-day. Today was also a very good scalping opportunity because we held the top portion of that candle, and you're above that 8-day, went above the 100-day, tells me that you're going to go to the next level, which was basically right there at that 2.43 level, which we went above. Okay, so very, very nice. Now, your targets, okay? So now you can see where this is here in the uptrend, okay? C61, you got plenty of room to run to the upside, okay? Your MACD, very, very nice. Your green over your red shows positive bullish momentum. That's obviously just like what we had here, okay? So we had that low all the way down here at 2.02, and you had all the way up here at 2.44, which is very, very nice here, okay? So midday trading day chart today, I put the natural gas and UNG side by side. That's what I trade for natural gas, UNG. It's very, very easy in, easy out, big volume, no issues. Just take your money, put it in your pocket. Very, very easy trade. So I got, if you want to check that out there at midday trading, I got the chart side by side if you want to take a little peek ski. Okay, so here's what we're looking at here is that 2.43, and then we're basically looking at today's high, that 2.45 level, where if you look at here, I've been always pointing out here, this is basically 2.448. Yeah, call it 2.45. That was your resistant level. Okay, now your next level going to go higher is going to be that 2.48 level, and then we can come over to here at the bottom. You're looking at 2.52. And then we have your 2.57 and then your 2.60 level. So when you come right across here, this is what you're going to have right there. That's going to be your target zone, okay? So you can see here, we're top of this candle here, bottom of this candle, all the way to the bottom of that candle. See that resistance, okay? Now that becomes resistance zone, that 2.6 level. Then we can rally on up here above that. Well, we follow this candle. See what we have here? You got 2.63 level. Then we have 2.67. We have 2.69, and then we just start following the tops of these candles. You got 2.76 level, and then we have 2.78, and then we can come all the way up to the top of this, which is 2.86. We just bring this price channel right across, and then bring that price channel right across. Well, we're going to have 2.94, and then we just follow it all the way up until we get that big retest at 3.15. I think natural gas is going to go higher. I'm long 5,000 shares from this area here, and I scalp 5,000 shares every day, except for Fridays. I usually dropped it down to 2,500 or 3,000, but today I just went with the 3,000 shares. Really, really good scalp in here, just like I did yesterday. Very, very nice scalping. So what I'm looking for here is higher prices. So watch that that futures open there on Sunday night, because I think we're going to go higher. Now we got to see how it's all going to shake out there, because usually the roll will come there about Tuesday, and you'll see that jump up there in the price. But again, what we're looking for next here is going to be this 2.48 level. That's what you're looking for. And then realistically, we're looking for that 2.6 level going up higher. Okay, that's what I got for you. I'll be back here Sunday night. The futures open at 6. I'll have a video there before 7 o'clock there for you. And we'll see how everything is all shaken out. Okay, so hope everybody has a great weekend. And remember, trade what's in front of you, not what you want.